Good afternoon, everybody. This is Devin Barnett here with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks. Today I want to show you an all-new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. It is equipped with the rough water package with our 27-inch tunes. We'll make our way on the boat. We have USBs at all the cup holders, storage underneath all the seats, as well as the deep ski locker, storage underneath the helm, along with wireless charging, SIMRAD, JL audio, as well as your master controls and the all-new Mercury throttle. Co-captain's chairs have flip-up armrests and bolsters. Dual batteries along with your selector switch. Storage underneath here, and integrated cooler powered by a 300 Mercury with the safety railings and fender holders. If you guys have any questions about this boat, please feel free to call me at 573-606-3037. Thank you.